In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram Reel to Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram, then swipe over to the right to open up your camera. Here at the bottom, select Reel. And now just start creating a reel. You can take a picture or a short video, and also you can tap at that icon to upload some video or photo from your phone's gallery. Then tap next. Here you can add some music or some effects or stickers or whatever, and then hit on next. And here all you have to do in order to share that reel also on Facebook, just scroll down for a bit and then right here tap on recommend on Facebook, and then just enable this feature, and it shows up you two different options. The first is turn this option on for all reels or turn it on just for that specific reel. I'll select the first one, and now I can hit on next and then tap on share to share that reel to my followers on Instagram and on Facebook too. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.